All right, so we're taking a look at CBAY. It jumped up here pre-market 25%, and look at the top now there at 735. So we're looking to get in here above 730. Had a double top pre-market there at 735. It dipped down to 650, so looking to jump in there above that resistance level. Once that resistance level breaks, looking for a move higher here. So you can see it's coming up now, getting there, looking for that 730. We want to see 730 printing over there. There it is. Not going to get filled. Talking to you guys too much. I need to focus on the trade. There it goes. Now up to 740. So you can see that move now. It went from 730 up there to 743 now. And going higher now, 750, 759, 760. So that worked out perfectly, just like planned. We're looking for that move to break the 730 area. Looking for that move to 750, 760 area. And there it goes, up to 760. Beautiful move there. You can see the volume increasing there. People were watching that move there. They were watching to see that 730 break. Once they saw that pre-market high, 730, 735 area break, they jumped in. You had to see this huge squeeze in volume there. You had the shorts that sorted this. They were watching there to see if this was going to break above 730, and there it goes, up to 766 now. Beautiful move here. Missing out on that fill. I was talking to you guys, and we're looking over here. Should have been ready to buy, but it is what it is. So you can see how that worked out perfectly, though. Beautiful trade there on CBAY. Talking about this, how it worked out. Looking for that pre-market break, pre-market high. Once that candle broke new high there, breaking over that pre-market resistance, that was a key indicator to jump in there. And you can see now it's heading higher. It's building support. It actually built support there at 737. So the pre-market high was at 735. It found support there at 737 and squeezed up there to 777. So beautiful move there on CBAY. We'll see if that 740 holds. Watching level 2 here. And it looks like it's going to pull back now. Pulling back through that 740 area now. It's battle right now. Shorts, longs. There are shares to short this. So you can be sure that people are shorting this, hoping this is going to crash back down below that $7 area like it did earlier, and that's kind of their goal here. 730 area is key to watch right now here on CBAY. You can see that 730 holding support there. If it breaks down, gonna expect a bit of a crash here. Might go short if we break below 730 here. Jumping in there on CBAY, you can see it's crashing down here. Looking for that move lower now. Gonna keep my stop at the 740 area. There it goes, 721 now. 724. See if we can get filled here. 722. Couldn't get filled there at 725. Now it's going higher. So I'm out of there. It built support there. It held support there at 720. I was trying to get 722. I was a little bit greedy there. Should have just taken that profit earlier there. Maybe get back in if it breaks down again here. Or I might go long here above 740. So we'll see what happens. We got two different ways to play this. We can play this below 720, play this above 740. It's holding that area there. 720 area wants to hold, but doesn't look like it wants to do it. Getting back in there right there at 721. See if we can get a move below the 710 area. Building support there at 716, it looks like. 716 about to crack. Looking for the 710 area to crack, 712 area. If we get a crack, we're going to move lower here. It'll be a beautiful move for a nice little crash down to that $7 area possibly. Looking for 710 to crack here. 710 holding. And 710 about to break. There it is. 710 breaks now. 711, 708 taking profit there. I made $50 on that move. So the reason that I went short there, a couple reasons. So I was looking to go long. I was having some trouble there. I was thinking maybe above 750 go long there. You can see had this resistance at 758. So really, and then once I saw that, I was like, okay, I'm going to go short here once again, see if I can get this drop. Got a little bit of a drop there. It pulled back down here to 703. It's very just jumpy, moving around, a lot of buying. So didn't have a lot of time to get a good fill there on the drop, but still made $50 there. Got a 10-cent drop there on CBAY. Well, would you look at that? Look at CBAY. Oh, look at this thing. Crashing down from that 780 area down here to 659. I talked about shorting this one earlier. I ended up shorting it twice, actually. Ended up shorting it there at 729. It squeezed up here to 750. I covered early on that, got out for basically break even, and then later on shorted it again at 721, and it squeezed up here to 730. So I was like right there. I think I was a little bit early on this one. I probably should have waited, gave it a little bit more time to build some resistance up. And you can see probably shorting it here on this 730 area on this last pop. And then it's just been dropping. It dropped down there to 680, pulled back up here to 715. And really from there, it's down to 656. Really the best entry would have been here at the 715 area on that double top. Like I always talk about, I love shorting those double tops. Editing the video, not paying attention. And you can see now 715 double top there. And now it's pulling back down here to 757. So beautiful short there if you would have waited for that double top. Like I always say, double top, so you get that downtrend. Obviously, this had a big pop in the morning, but then the rest of the day right now, we got this downtrend. It's pulling back, and look at that move. So really just crashing down here. If it had got in there, you know, had this support there, it was looking like it might want to go, and then you got a double top, 715. Could have went short here, could have kept your stop at the 722 area, 730 area, and let this one ride. And look at it now, down there to 650. Live to fight another day. So hopefully this video helps you guys. Hopefully it helps you guys understand the idea of buying pre-market highs and then possibly when to go short here on a stock like this. Remember though, when you're going short on these stocks and they start to squeeze, if it starts going higher, just cut your loss, get out quickly, because you never know. This stock could have easily ran up to $8 from this area here at the 710 area. You never know. So if it starts to turn, if it starts to build support, if it doesn't look good, it doesn't look like it wants to crash, just cut your loss and get out of it and wait for the next opportunity. Don't be stubborn. Don't get stuck in a short squeeze as this is squeezing higher. So it's one of the things to think about when you're shorting. Be quick to take profit if you've got it. Don't be stubborn. And I will talk to you guys later. Hopefully this is kind of a different video than normal, kind of breaking down the entire move here on CBAY. Hopefully it helps you guys instead of me just saying, hey, I'm buying here, hey, I'm selling there, and boom, 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 you know, a bunch of trades. Hopefully this kind of breaks down the overall trade here on CBAY. Two possible ways to play it, either up or down here, long, short, breaking over that pre-market high, or shorting it once it found resistance there later on in the morning.